Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. So I'll get to those gas prices in a moment, but before that, some news on the economy. Output in the construction industry declined by an estimated 4.5% in the first quarter of 2024. Senior Director in charge of Economic Planning and Research at the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, James Stewart, says this was mainly due to a decline in the building construction component.
The performance of the building construction component was constrained by a 56.5% contraction in housing starts by the NHD. Preliminary sales data revealed a 10.9% decline in the real sales of construction inputs. In particular, retail sales of hardware, paint, and glass declined by 12%.
However, he says the other construction component saw growth.
Due to increased capital expenditure on civil engineering activities by the National Road Operating and Construction Company, NROC, up 609.2% to $5.1 billion, due largely to expenditure on the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. And the Jamaica Public Service Company, up 38.7% to $1.6 billion due to construction and installation activities related to the transmission and distribution of electricity.
Temporary gas prices now, guess what? They go down effective tomorrow. A litre of 87 gasoline will sell for 51 cents less. 90 will decline by 52 cents. Diesel will drop by 43 cents, while 25 cents will be shaved off each litre of ultra-low sulfur diesel. Kerosene will see a decrease of 77 cents per litre. $3.06 will, however, be added to the cost of propane, while butane will increase by $2.78. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. To the foreign currency market now, trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $156.44. The Canadian is going for $114.61. $199.25 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for $172.74. And the JSE index declined by 40 points today, while the junior market index decreased by 9 points. Among the 54 winners were Stanley Motor Ordinary Shares, MFS Capital Partners, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Lasco Financial Services, and Portland JSX. The 41 losers were led by Cargo Handlers, Jamaica Public Service Company 7% shares, Pan Jamaica Group, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. 21 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Regional and international news, that's after the break.